My warm wishes to the teachers, and I am Nikhil from ECC. And my team members are Mr. Ashwant and as well as Ayyappa Reddy. And we have done a project based on home automation using a microcontroller called 8051. And let me explain the components initially. We have used one virtual terminal over here where we provide the input. Secondary, we have used a microcontroller which is the heart of the circuit, and we have used a relay or four relay followed by to see the four outputs we have taken four LEDs and followed by we have taken one alternating current and a 5-volt supply over here. Let me explain the whole working process by running it. Whenever before running it, I'll let you know whenever I provide an even number of inputs, the output gets enabled. Whenever I provide odd number of inputs, it gets disabled. This is what I have given my coding. Whenever I provide 9, everything gets reset. Let me provide 1, it gets disabled. 3, disabled. 5, disabled. 7, disabled. Whenever I provide even 2, it gets enabled. 4, enabled. 6, enabled. 8, enabled. Let me disable all those things. 1, it gets disabled. 3, it gets disabled. 5, it gets disabled. And as well as 7, it gets disabled. I've also told you that if I give 9 as an input, everything gets reset. Let me show you that. 2, 4, 6. I'm giving 9, everything gets reset. Okay, now let me show you the back end, that is the coding part. And initially, this is the port 1 which I have given load 1, and port 1 first pin, and port 1 second pin, port 1 third pin we have given as load, and SCON is the controller, serial controller, TMOD is the timer, TH1 is the baud rate, that is number of bits per second, number of transmission of bits per second, TR1, and this is the timer. And we have, let me explain this one. Whenever I provide, when load x equal to 1, the load equal to 1. Let me explain by showing the diagram. Whenever I provide 1, the first port 0th position, the output of this pin is high. Whenever it is high, will not be getting any it doesn't get magnetized actually over here. The reason is we'll be having 5 volts over here, and as well as we are getting the high output over here, so it doesn't get magnetized. Whenever I provide 2, we'll be getting output over here is 0. Whenever we get 0, it acts as a ground and it get magnetized, and the whole thing gets output gets enabled. This is what the actual working principle behind this, and this is our project, mini project, and thanks for giving this golden opportunity.